Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let us see how to solve the 14th question in exercise 5.3. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. So the statement is finding the sum of odd numbers that lie between 0 and 50. Let's start listing the odd numbers. So it is going to be 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. The last odd number between 0 and 50 will be 49. Let's see how to find the sum of this. This is written in AP and we can also see that it is getting skip counted by 2. So let's write out the value of A. A is equal to 1. L is equal to 49. The last term in this AP is 49. Now let's calculate D. D is 2 because we are doing skip counting. So D is equal to 2. The next data that we need is going to be the value of N. So how do you find that out? We know the terms, right? So AN is equal to 49. We know all the values of the AP like 1 and D. So from here, let's generate what is the value of N. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. So 49 is equal to 1 plus N minus 1 into 2. So this is 1 plus 2n minus 2, which is 49 actually. So 49 is equal to 2n minus 1. So if you carry it here, 50 is equal to 2n. So n is going to be equal to 25. So we got the value of n also to be 25. Now all we need to do is calculate Sn. So the formula in this case is going to be n by 2 into A plus L. So let's start substituting the value. So 25 by 2 into A is 1 plus L is 49. So this is 25 by 2 into 50. So this again I strike to 25. 25 into 25 is 625. So the sum of odd numbers from 1 to 49 is equal to 625. That should be the word statement that you close with in this numerator. In the next video, we will see how to solve question number 15 in the same exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.